We are Kristen and Michael. We bought our house in the Joshua Tree area in July of 2021 and have been DIY renovating it with family and friends ever since. We turned our house into an Airbnb, and now it has over 50 five-star reviews. And we're documenting the process of upgrading the house as we go and showing the realities of managing an Airbnb from afar. After a long weekend of family and friend activities, we are back at the house. And I've been deep cleaning all day. Now Michael is going to be adding some shelves to the laundry room.
From that board that I grabbed from the garage that you saw. So we'll just do one shelf right now.
So we've got, I don't think we've done a full house tour or anything, but
No.
we have a spare bathroom next to our laundry room. And the laundry room's kind of tight. Laundry detergent's literally on the floor.
At least I think I can do it in this snip. I was like, oh, let me just do this really quick.
Yeah. You think?
Do the thing, you know?
Yeah. Wow.
No one needs, no one's gonna try and replicate this. This is just just doing this. Yeah. It looks, I mean, the wood's work, so it's okay.
I think it's great. Holds all of my things. All of our things. We can even throw the teepee up there for now. I know it's not cute. I want to get a basket and put toilet paper in it because this is just the whole thing. But this is great. Things are off the floor. I can try to
we scooted the whole washer over.
Yeah. And it leaked when we first moved in, so that was fun. So I haven't been able to clean under there, so that's great. I can do that now.
Yeah, but now this laundry room is a little more functional.
I'm waiting for some dryer.
Right?
Yes.
Cool.
Thank you. Where are you woofing at? Woof.
So update.
It's been 7 days.
It's been, 8.
It's been 7 days.
Since we ordered all of that stuff for the renovation, and the 6-foot tall cactus
Just
got delivered to the house.
It's massive. We thought it was coming to LA because they had to do a change of address, and then
Now it's not coming to LA. It just got delivered at the house, along with a rug, a brand new rug from Morocco. And we text our cleaners.
They can't make it.
They're not going to be there till this weekend.
Damn it.
This is what happens.
This is the reality, you guys. We did get our blanket, though. I have it here. This came from Lithuania.
Wow.
This is a nice color.
Guess what came?
The rug!
The right-sized rug.
You guys, we just returned the old rug, and this literally showed up the next day. Let's see.
Here's our leftover poofs from the house.
How do we fix this? You know, I love these things.
If anybody knows how to fix these, please let us know. So we went from a, what size?
6x9. Of course you would get a 6x9.
But this is an 8x10, right?
Yeah, this is an 8x10.
Okay. Do you need help?
No, I got this.
Do you like this one, dude?
It should be great because then we'll have the chairs. The coffee table can be in the center. The chairs can be on these little pink things. And then we'd be able to swivel.
Swivel?
Possibly, if we get swivel chairs, to watch the TV.
Okay, so what we didn't realize
Is
right?
it our big yucca plant in the front?
Hides it so well.
Oh my gosh, but from what we see on our cameras,
It's like
out in the open.
right out in the open.
Oh, okay, good. That makes me feel so much better.
Yeah, but look at how giant this package is.
Look at how big my package is.
Guys, it is cold here.
I thought it was gonna be
Yeah, like it's hot.
like 80 down in the low desert.
It's fall is here.
Fall, y'all.
You know what's next is the winds.
Bitter winter. No,
Yeah.
the winds have been here. We just haven't been here.
That's true. We should probably check on the backyard.
So we changed our check-in and checkout time. So I had to make another sheet for the check-in and checkout for the house. This is our third one that we have made. You need things in the house for people to visibly see and read. Otherwise, you can send a text or whatever and try to cut down on paper and that cost, or just, you know, environmentally. But in the grand scheme of things, you want people to do what you ask of them, even if it's the smallest things. So we always have a check-in, check-out list in the house. So just trade it out. And it just goes with the welcome basket.
We are in the dirty ass garage that I've cleaned about 15 times for you guys, and then we do projects and then it gets dirty again. So that's just the way it's gonna be until we figure our shit out.
Just the way of the road, bud. Tubros is the color we got from Batwork.
Yeah.
So that's what we'll be line
So,
washing.
and it looks like it came with instructions.
Cool.
This is from, I don't know, somewhere in Morocco.
I think it's Morocco.
Yeah.
From one of our recent guests. Not our most recent, but he like messaged us the sweetest thing about how creative the house is, and he saw that.
Yeah.
And so I'm like, great, now we're changing it.
No, it's still gonna feel that way.
First time in the US, first time in the desert. Thank you for helping make this a perfect, memorable experience. Sitting out back, sharing a beer, and watching the shooting stars.
Oh.
Love it.
Yeah.
How much was this rug?
I think it was like 100, 200. Life hacks that we found is if you want to buy like amazing Moroccan vintage rugs, buy them directly from the people that create them or restore them in Turkey and Morocco and stuff. Now, the most expensive, no, actually the mirror was the most expensive part of the project.
It was? The mirror ended up being the most?
Yeah.
The mirror was supposed to save us money.
The mirror saved us money from buying that would have been like $1,000.
Do we want to put it in already?
No.
Now we need to get a pot for it.
We want to do like an entire reveal for you guys.
I wasn't going to touch the spices because I thought it.
Spikies are not sharp.
No. Ooh. Is it the reed fence? Or is it the whole fence? What's the whole freaking fence? Oh my god, it just like tore off of... This is still here.
What I'm going to have to do is cannibalize the other fence that's sitting over there.
Cannibalize?
And make metal rope, essentially, and try and prop this up. There we go.
What?
Look at the bottom of that cactus.
Oh my god, is that another freaking cactus?
Baby cactus popped.
That's a dream.
I'm so proud of it.
Oh my god, you got this. You got this. You're coming back to life. All we had to do was not water you. Look at that.
I'm gonna use some of the stuff that's already here.
This has lasted us over a year, which is well over what we had thought.
And it's not meant to be permanent. Like,
No.
This is way longer than I ever planned on.
Having this fence, we're gonna tear this thing out and push it back like 10 feet. Meanwhile, look at this freaking view. It's beautiful.
Now we can wrap this around. The other side.
Yeah. Yeah. Seems like it. And it seems like there's a bunch of wires on the ground that we could possibly use too.
Those are from my previous attempts.
Oh.
I think this
The death wire. It's gonna.
Death wire's a new metal band.
No, the hammock is having an issue.
Winds it up.
Oh no. Yeah. I mean, and the wind has been bad because when the weather changes, the wind is
This one's fine.
crazy.
It's just this one got messed up.
Oh my god, look at that.
But can you feel it? It's snapping.
People coming and trying it and falling. Here. Oh, this still works.
Yeah, it still works.
This cactus is falling forward. We're gonna need to address this. It's top heavy. Look at this. It knows that I do this in videos and it just is now creating this. Look at all those. And they're heart-shaped too. All right, we gotta go. Your mom wants to know if we want dinner.
All right, quick trip. Quick trip. Fence is semi-okay. Yeah. Body.
So today we are picking up a U-Haul and going to get a barbecue from our grandparents, Michael's Nana. And we are also getting a sideboard. We found a sideboard on Facebook Marketplace, which is like a buffet or a credenza. There's so many names for it. And we're gonna put that in the house in LA as well as the barbecue. There it is. We did it. This is gonna be so nice to have a grill. This is gonna be an awkward angle because I'm driving and Michael is in the U-Haul in front of me right now, so I should probably not be driving. This is the first time we've had a guest overstay their welcome. It is 11:30. The guest is not responding to us. Checkout is now at 11. We moved our times from check-in to 4, checkout at 11. We used to have it at 3 and 10. We don't charge extra for a late checkout at this point, but our cleaners do. So if they arrive and the guest is still at the house, it's number one, not their responsibility to kick our guests out of the house. So I totally understand why they charge extra. It's not like they're squatting, they're moving in. It's just like they are waiting till the cleaners show up, so then they'll leave. I'm assuming. Let us know down below how you guys handled guests that just don't ask for a late checkout and hang out until your cleaners get there and don't respond to anything you message them.
Let's see if it made it.
I know.
Oh my.
How your driving did. Ah, everything looks good.
Over the threshold. Okay. 1, 2. So what just happened?
Okay, so that was our cleaners. They were just calling to tell us how bad the house was left off. It said that there's just dishes everywhere. The blender was still full of stuff. There was like meat around. There's food on the floor. The people left an hour and a half, maybe a little more late. There's rules and they were blatantly disregarded, and especially the checkout thing. And our cleaners basically called to say, hey, we charge extra for doing the dishes, which a lot of cleaners do. You don't know this. And we're going to charge you extra and we'll let you know what that is once, they work through everything. Fun times.
Earth is so cool. Look at this, guys. Like, this is why we do this, so we can get out of the city and see shit like this, because we don't see this in LA.
No.
Look at that.
Yeah.